Friends, this is Neha from SM Creatives, and today I'm going to show you how to insert your own image inside an image holder which comes with my web branding kits. As you can see, this is my photo which is inside this watercolor image holder. I'm going to show you how I did this. So to do this, we are going to be using Canva. Now you don't need any special account on it. A free account works. So you go to Canva and then click on Create a Design, Custom Dimensions. I'm going to be using 1200 by 1200. It's a pretty large size. Most websites you will probably be using half the size for the sidebar, or 1200 by 1200 if you want a full size image. So let's go with this. Create Design. First I'm going to be adding my photo into the canvas. So I have my photo ready here. Just drag and drop it. Canva adds it on the side. Just click on it to add it here. Just drag at the corners. There's no need to hold down the shift key. Just drag normally and position it. Okay. Then click outside. Then on top of this, drag and drop your image holder. So these are the image holders from my greenery branding kit. I'm going to be using the PNG image holder because the white that you see here is actually transparent in a PNG file. Drag and drop it on top. Once it's uploaded, click on it and it will appear here. Now drag and drop the corners so that it fits fully, and there we have it. This is our completed design. Now here's one thing that I want you to remember. At this stage, you should just go ahead and download it. Don't click on the gray area outside, because if you do, then sometimes this happens. What happens is that uh, the overlay gets fixed with the background. That's a bit of a bug on Canva, and even though you can click on this detach image from background, but then you don't get it at the same size that you had resized it to. So what I would do is I would just click undo, Command Z. Okay, now this is how I want it, and this is the stage where we click on download. So you can save it as a PNG file or a JPEG file, whatever you wish. Just click on download, and there you have it. So your final design is downloaded, and here it is. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you.